What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys here how to find out which altcoins are being listed on both Kucoin and Gate.io, which are very similar apps, on the same day. So after watching this video, you're not going to miss any new listings of any altcoins on both Kucoin and Gate.io, because I'm going to show you guys exactly where to go on the day that it's literally about to get listed. Okay, so let's start off here with Kucoin, and I just want to start off by saying that I'm making a TikTok account. You guys can follow in the description below. I'm going to be making similar videos like this, but obviously shorter. So follow me on TikTok if you guys like my channel. But let's start off here. Where do you go with Kucoin? So the place where you go is, you see where it says more, you want to add new listings, okay, where it says right there. So new listings is basically just going to tell you which altcoins are being listed on Kucoin and at what time, UTC time, as you guys can see right there. But where you want to go is you want to go to markets, okay? Then you want to go to USD, not your favorites, go to USD and then go all the way to the bottom here. And then once you reach the bottom, the new listings should be there. They're going to be listed on that exact day. If it's like 24 hours away, it's going to be somewhere here at the bottom. You're going to be able to see them on Gate.io. Just go to market and then go all the way down, and it's going to give like a countdown until it's listed. So it's very simple to do on Kucoin. Another thing too, guys, is please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, obviously investing in these new coins that are just being listed are very risky, especially if they're a very new coin. It's risky because it's very volatile. So you definitely don't want to use market orders because you can get wrecked literally. So please do your own research, make your own decisions, and this is just educational purposes only. I'm just showing you guys here where to go and how to find these new listings. So now I'm going to show you guys here on Gate.io. Also, I'm going to leave all the links to my referrals for both Gate.io and Kucoin in the description if you guys don't have both. I definitely recommend to have both because there are certain coins that you can't get on Kucoin that are on Gate.io and vice versa, right? So where do you go on Gate.io? Well, to start off, if you get this tab right here called Startup, the same way you go on More, you add this tab called Startup. This is for people that are VIP1 on Gate.io. Basically, you hold 20 GT, which is the Gate.io token, and you have a trading volume of over 1.5 Bitcoin around there. Then you can actually invest in these coins, okay, before they're even listed. So as you guys can see right here, you can put literally $20, the minimum, in these coins right here, and it tells you what you need to do to be a VIP one over here. So startup is where you guys go to see the future ones that are going to be listed as well. But the place where I like to go is right over here. If you go scroll down on the home page, you're going to scroll all the way until you see new. You see this new right here? You click on new. I wish Kucoin had this tab, but it doesn't, but you can still do it. You can still see them on the market order on Kucoin. But right here on Gate.io, they have the new tab. And you see all of these coins right here. Okay, they're still going to be listed. And right here, this is the countdown. Okay, so right here, this one's going to be listed in 6 hours. So right here, you click trade. It tells you right there, 6 hours. That's the countdown. You can literally just stay right there until it gets listed. And obviously, like I said, do your own research. You definitely don't want to do market orders. And again, it tells you all here based on the most closest one to be listed, which is Mons. It tells you right here, Solar, Gates, POTS, which is a big one coming up. So right here, it tells you the countdown until it's listed. And on Gate.io, there's a lot of new listings, guys, like almost every day. So that's where you guys go on both Gate.io and Kucoin. I know a lot of people make money this way, but at the same time, a lot of people lose money because they use market orders or they buy too high and then it just goes dropping down. So please do your own research, okay, guys? And follow me on my new TikTok. I'm going to be posting a lot there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.